Jimmy.
Patrick. The king of the bandsaw. The sign stud. Master fabricator. The beast from the east. Oh yeah.
The axe master. The professional homeowner. Mr. Manly Manners.
That's weird.
Sweet Loaf's dad.
Yeah, she's cute. She's cute.
I think this is going to be a good matchup. There's actually a lot of overlap there.
Oh, thanks for that visual there.
Sure.
We didn't know what overlap was.
Okay, hold up, Jimmy. This is not about us, it's about these guys. Right?
Right.
There's lots of similarities. Like I said, both of these guys make great content. They both have subscribers in the millions. Both like doing things outside. They like blacksmithing, working with wood, metal, firearms stuff, tricking out vehicles, man stuff.
Wranglerstar did a video about what kind of shirt he likes to wear.
Yeah, that was wool. I prefer the cotton myself.
Good to know. Both enjoy dogs, but Jimmy also cats, right?
Not sure if Wranglerstar has cats. It'd take like 6 years to go back through all those videos to find that out.
True. Yeah, so both these guys make things, right? Jimmy makes some great stuff, as you know. Signs, weapons hidden in canes, other sign-related things. He's a great designer. If I wanted to have something really cool built, he's the first one that comes to mind. He's friends with the This Old House guys.
Norm Abram?
No, the other ones.
Wranglerstar posts more often, and he gets into so many different things that I love, like riding ski bikes.
Don't have one. You rode a ski bike?
No. Adventure van?
Nope.
Sawmill?
Hey, Bert, we got a sawmill. No. Keep looking, Bert.
Now, this is stuff that we like, not things that we have. He does testing and reviewing of products, manly manners, axes. He's got the Sweet Loaf, hacks, tips, family stuff, tough love.
Yeah, Jimmy does a lot of that stuff too. Not sure about the manners.
And I don't know if they know each other, but I hope if they did meet that they'd be friends.
I'd pay to see him in a cage match.
Speed round.
All right, I'd also like to see them become friends. Maybe a friendly cage match after that, right?
Coolest glasses.
Yeah, that's hard to look at.
Best tool tips.
Jimmy.
Coolest projects.
Jimmy.
A lot of them. Best in an emergency.
All right, just so you know what you're looking at there, folks, this guy puts super glue on his wounds. Probably got more super glue in his bloodstream than he does plasma.
Could be. Coolest vehicle.
Jimmy.
Most likely to be our friend.
Definitely Jimmy.
Both. Folks, comment and tell us what you think.
Guess who just took a butt kicking?